Mama Sana.
Okay.
Okay, the thing is, my diary is not here. Once I get home, I'll send it to you. Neka. Please, can we make this thing tomorrow?
Hey!
See you. Bye. Bye.
No problem.
Yeah,
You what? Hey!
Hey.
what is it?
The first lady of Akantoto.
As a woman.
I'm in a haste, please.
Okay.
Yeah, of course, you are in a haste. You are in a haste. You are in a haste. Speak up, you are in a haste.
Of course.
You know that's Igbo. Now, Igbo put the Igbo language here. Now, you know they speak Igbo again. You speak up, you are in a haste. And then one of Africa.
Continue.
Bend down, select. Get telalo. Immediately sharp. Eh?
I don't understand what you're talking about.
Why you go understand what I'm talking about? No, why you go take understand that? After you don't do your job finish, and you expect me to clear you, or you expect yourself to understand.
Which job are you talking about, please?
Chai.
You don't know the job.
I don't know.
You will know. You are a nene. You be a nene. In fact, you were a picker. Why I can't take what she the picker. Yeah, only I can't to one of Africa. Just imagine. Your friend where you and I follow the goal. Sharp, agree and that him. Is of the someone somewhere in your
This is plain.
Let us go now.
Hey!
Oh, my leg is paining me. I don't think I will continue. You continue in the grave.
Chai.
The only thing that can save you now is to bring out that money.
Which money?
Also, which money? It's which money? for money where you just collect, where you just cash out now from my own, from my bank.
Yeah!
Eh? You be as a woman, our muguna, our magadom waka.
Hey!
Okay? As a woman, name my own percentage.
Are you playing?
Because if you don't give me this percentage now, I will run after that girl, call her back, and I go expose you this afternoon. You're not giving me anything. Then get ready to take it by force or by hanging until you go on a bill. Give me my own share now. Because you know go collect, you know go cash out on the front of my shop. You expect me to keep quiet.
This is playing.
One. Chairman.
Come, Daddy. Wait now. I don't know they play with you.
What do you call me?
Daddy. Only bro, Daddy.
Me. Daddy. Small boy like me. You call me daddy. I resemble your center mother. Okay, you didn't go nago. If you don't know your papa, go drown for grand show you.
This is playing.
Don't you know you're supposed to be my mama?
Jesus!
If I should be your daddy, that means you're my pikin not supposed to be an armed robber. A picking pocket. Why I can't toto. What can name my own share? Wait, look I ask you. You don't marry.
I'm not married.
Huh? You never marry.
Exactly.
And you never use this smartness where you take pick money now. Take and pick one husband, enter house, go rest.
Jesus!
You don't lose the pick who gave. Even your mate today, they beg Jehovah, make you carry them enter husband house. Your own song now should be Totoromo de go. I can't Totoromo de go, my husband. Oh, we could sit now.
Hey!
You rake got to ego news. Why him because my own share. Give me my own cut. As a woman.
Don't go that side now.
Yeah, I shouldn't go that side. Oh yeah, give me address where I should go. Yeah, my address, Ebem Gaga. Why you from? Here. Hey! Give me my share.
Are you playing?
One.
Chelunu now. Person know the joke with you again. Madam Angusa kwa yegu. Eh? Yeah.
You didn't go near police.
Hey!
No, I resemble you, policeman. How much did there?
Take it and check it.
This is playing.
400 naira.
Yes!
For kutu kwego where you carry from here.
Go no.
Guna wa go pick am me go law. Ask all these people, all this my neighbor here, ask them. If I vex, ndesa asana kam weta jote. Mram ho ge ni shima kachiku shiga ga chared. I'm telling you the honestly speaking. No play with me, oh. You can play with me with any other thing, but not be money. You there for my shop here, cash out. And my maga don't go. Then we will be as a man where receive the money. You don't want to give me my own share. You don't get my own percentage. You have 400 naira.
Are you playing?
You don't give this money. Wait. If I first carry you enter the shop, lock up. Now picking you go carry come out. Bring that money now. May we share them equally.
Hey!
Don't play with my biological iniquity. Come and get you the image. Come and get the image. I'm going to why you take that? Bring them. Come. You make us stop. Bring 50-50.
Okay.
50-50 begin. It's some total dingo.
I'm going to set her. I got my mom to ya. I want to see all of them. Why not go see all of them? Not me see all of them here. Why not go see all of them? Why you tutorial? You are playing with the fire. You are playing with the fire. Bring it.
Open that book.
Wait. You can enter this shop now.
Wait.
You get to ham.
Chai.
How much you need?
Wait.
Hey! On your shit, baby man. Above your shit.
Hey!
I can't toto.
No problem.
Oh, yeah, got chicken addy. Don't worry. In a hair, man, I na kwede. This is go you go match on top. Very soon you go match a chair.
Hey!
If you don't match you get on your shit. Stupid girl. When you want to wag a reho burubia. It to say I keep quiet, can't do good Samaria. This morning now for pass me by. Ego came from Nanya. When you to for nego to foot, chichen. Togo to fuche. You not your daddy, EJ send that account. King when I get to for Yamala Prapi go on our boss. 1,002. Here goes the couple got a number then. Everybody should be wise. Your best friend can pick your best money. When him and go back. Imo